Hey guys, it's Priscilla Ono, global makeup artist for Fenty Beauty, and today I have a special treat for you guys. I'm going to be doing a tutorial on the look that I created for Rihanna at our Italy launch. I already primed her eye with the Pro Filter Amplifying Eye Primer. I used a little bit of truffle matchstick to contour and a little bit of almond under the eyes for highlight. Now we're gonna get right into it and start on the eyes. I'm gonna take our Moroccan Spice palette and I'm gonna take the color Hennessy and apply it on the outer part of the lash line with our blending brush. Take it upward in the crease. This is gonna give the eyes a little bit of definition and depth and also a really beautiful smoky effect. I'm taking the eyeshadow and I'm going upward, up at an angle. You wanna match it up to probably about where your eyebrow ends and really focus your product more so on the end of the eye. When I'm doing Rihanna's makeup, I notice that she really loves when her eyes look really lifted and they give that beautiful swoop up. So we always like to focus the eyeshadow on more so the outer part of the eye. Make sure that every time you go into your eyeshadow, you dab a little on the back of your hand to prevent any kind of blotchiness on the eyeshadow. These colors are very pigmented, which is amazing, but you don't want to put too much color at first. You kind of want to build as you go. Now I'm going to take a little bit of Cumin Get It, and I'm going to warm up the brow bone area just a little bit. So taking that right above the crease, right on the brow bone, just to give a little bit of warmth. So I would say when you're applying your eyeshadow and you want to blend, you would want to do more of a circular motion to really get the color kind of dispersed on the eye and blended. And then to get any of those little lines out, you want to go back and forth. Okay, so now I'm going to take rum and warm it up on the back of my hand. Then I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow brush and I'm just going to sweep this all over the eyelid as a base for my eyeshadow. And actually the inspiration behind this look was when we were doing our Italy launch for Body Lava. And I remember talking to Ree when we were discussing looks. And I told her that I was really inspired by brown sugar. And then I wanted her to look like she dipped her face in our Body Lava. And she loved it. She's like, that's exactly what I want to look like tonight. So we just went gold and bronze everywhere. Love using matchsticks as eyeshadow primers because they do, when you warm them up, get creamy, but then once they dry, they're nice and matte and they don't crease on you, so it's like a perfect base for your eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna take Desert Baked on our flat brush and apply it right on top of the matchstick. So I like to start applying the shadow more so on the center of the eye and then working my way out. I'm leaving a little bit of space on the inner corners without the Desert Baked because I'm going to apply another shadow that's slightly lighter. Now I'm going to go in with our blending brush and I'm going to blend right at the crease to make sure there isn't any lines. Now I'm going to take Casablanca and I'm going to apply it on the inner part of the eye. Anytime you put a lighter color of eyeshadow on the inner corner of your eye, it separates the eyes and makes them look really beautiful and exotic. Now I'm gonna go in with a small detailer brush and I'm gonna apply a little bit of Cumin Get It underneath the bottom lash line. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of my Casablanca and a small detail brush and I'm gonna apply it right at the lash line. And I'm gonna apply it all on the inner corner of the eye. As Ree likes to say, it gives the eyes that zest. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of our fly liner and I'm gonna apply a beautiful cat eye. So when I do eyeliner, I like to start on the outer part of the eye and go up, and then I come across and I build like a little empty triangle when the eye is open. Now that her eyes are closed, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna fill in that empty triangle. So I just finished mascara and now I'm gonna go into the cheek. First up, I'm gonna take a little bit of our matchstick and redick. Then I'm gonna take that and apply it right on the apples of her cheek. And I'm using our full-bodied foundation brush for this. Next, I'm gonna take a little bit of rum, apply some of that and warm it up on the back of my hand. Take a little bit with my same brush. I actually don't mind mixing the colors together because we're gonna blend them on the cheek anyway. That's the great thing about these matchsticks is that you can really build and make your own custom colors. You can apply them anywhere, cheekbones, cheeks, eyes, lips. The possibilities are endless with these. I also like to take some and put some on the chin, on the cupid's bow of the lip, down the bridge of the nose. And it just really gives that beautiful sun-kissed bronzy look. Now I'm gonna layer that highlight and apply a little bit of our Kilowatt Foil in Sandcastle, taking it with our cheek hugging brush and applying that just right on top of the cheekbones, just to really give that pop. And don't be afraid of applying a little bit on the brow bone as well. So now we're gonna give the finishing touch and we're gonna add a little bit of rum on the lip. I prepped her lip right before and added a little bit of gloss bomb just to give a little bit of moisture. And now I'm gonna go in with my rum matchstick and give a beautiful, perfect bronzy look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you wanna see more videos like this, visit us on our website at fentybeauty.com.